Welcome student to the very first lecture of international marketing. In international marketing, before proceeding to subject, I will discuss the lecture plan first. In our lecture plan, I will give you the roadmap how we will proceed in this particular subject. In unit 1, we will discuss what is exactly the international marketing is and how it is differ from other market, domestic market and all, and what type of orientation the marketer will have when they enter into another market. Then in unit 2 we will discuss the trends of international trade, and we will also discuss various theories or you can say the motives why we are entering into the international market. Then what are the various modes that we need to take to enter into the international market. Plus we will discuss the various export promotion schemes and various export promotion measures adopted by the government of India to promote this international trade. In unit 3 we will discuss the environment. Here I am talking about the business environment, where we will discuss the social and culture factor, technological factor, economic factor, political factor, etc. And in this case we will discuss the natural factors also, which guide us how to enter in another market and how to market our product by observing all these changes, or by observing all these factors which affect our decisions in the in marketing strategies. Then in unit 4 we will cover the various economic institutions, that is the international institutions which play a very vital role in guiding us or making rules and frameworks for promoting the international trade. Then in unit 5 we will discuss the export import policies of India. What are the various barriers that India are creating, or they can take help to save their domestic market and all, and what is MNCs and what are the different types of MNCs we have. After that, as you see that in international marketing the syllabus is so small, but exactly international marketing is not so small. इसमें हमारे बहुत से ऐसे पैरामीटर्स होते हैं जो हमें कवर करने होते हैं, जो हमें स्टडी करने होते हैं जब हम इंटरनेशनल मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड कोई डिसीजंस लेते हैं. दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्मॉल पार्ट of the practical international marketing subject. So during our subject we will cover the practical aspects also, and for covering the practical aspects, how the decisions in international marketing affect, and how we are going to take decisions and all, I have covered the projects also. These are the projects which give you the insight, the practical insight, how and what are the factors in the economy that we are study that we need to consider before taking any decision in international level. We have a project which is very important to understand the practical aspect, like international trade after Modi government. You have seen that after Modi government various measures, various reforms are taken, and because of that international trade is increasing. So we will discuss these things in this project. Then COVID-19 and international trade, how COVID-19 affect our international trade, what type of US and China trade war, and how it impact the Indian trade. Then business environment, if we are trying to enter into Germany, then we need to discuss the environment of Germany. What are the factors, what type of culture factors they have, accordingly we need to make our strategies to enter. Then India, then China. Okay, so in our subject the project is very very important. 15 marks of your internal covered by your mid semester exam, and another 15 marks is covered by your project, your assessment. As you see in our lecture plan, after every unit I am going to take assessment like this: assessment 1, assessment 2. Plus during this subject I am also giving you the assignments that you need to submit on the due date. And please students, I request you to honor the due dates, because after due date I will not going to consider any assignments. Clear? And the guideline related to project, how to make a project, what are the various chapters, various topics that you need to cover under the project, I will cover in our lecture 1.1. After this lecture, please see that lecture also. It is a part of lecture 1 only.